Morning. How are you, students? For today, I think you're very well by grace of God. For second time, I'm here. For today, I would like to teach you how your brain negotiates traffic. I would like to start, or I would like to translate it English to English. Okay, take books, dear students. Unit 2, Traffic Education, Lesson 1, How your brain negotiates traffic. How your brain negotiates traffic. Okay? I'd like to start this division. When you are in the driving seat of a car, you have the steering and the horn in your hands, the brake and accelerator under your feet, eyes open, looking ahead, left and right. The same can be said about a motorcycle rider with some modifications. These are all very suitable. But behind all, there is something that keeps working unseen. And that is the central processing unit. That means, in short, CPU, your brain. CPUs are artificial intelligent machines that are programmed to do specific jobs under fixed conditions and adjustments. But the human brain is intelligent by nature. It is the most sophisticated machine that is able to operate on ever-changing conditions and standards of adjustment. As conditions in the traffic keep invariably changing, this virtue of sophistication of your brain must be at work when you are driving. The difference between traffic in the roads and highways and racing circuit must not be blurring inside you. Never imagine yourself to be a Michael Schumacher driving on F1 at 300 miles per hour. Leave no room for fantasy. You must always be ready to encounter unexpected behavior from any vehicle or pedestrian. Keep your cool is easy to advise but difficult to maintain. Still, you must always restrain yourself because at the end of the day, you don't want to be regarded as a killer. Now, you see, the last thing that differentiates you from a computer is your conscience. From this passage, you have to realize, or you have to see or imagine attentively that what is about these passages? What is about? Or what is the gist or summary of the whole passage? You have to read this passage and you have to collect the main vocabularies from this passage. Now, if I see from this passage main vocabularies, let's collect, dear students. Vocabulary is very important. Without vocabulary, you can do any day. Those students get or learn vocabularies more, they will be better English speaker in future. To be a fluent speaker in future, you have to know more and more vocabularies, because vocabularies are the spicy of English, learning English. From this passage, we can see that traffic jam. Open your book and see traffic jam. You are very familiar with this scene in Bangladesh. For Bangladesh, when you are in the driving seat of a car, everybody get up on a car. You have the steering and horn in your hands, like your driver, and the driver always use or handle or lead a steering and horn. We are very familiar to these things. The brake and the accelerator under your feet, and under your feet leg there is brake and accelerator. Eyes open, looking ahead, left and right. That means eyes, our two eyes, the driver's two eyes are open, left or right. The same can be said about a motorcycle rider. Like the driver, the motorcycle driver had to realize or had to notice these scenes, have to notice or lead these steering, horn, brake, accelerator, open eyes, left and right, everything, like the main driver following this motorcycle driver with some modifications, some rules and regulations. These are all very visible. We see such kind of scene every day on the roads or streets. But behind all, after all, there is something that keeps working unseen. One thing is very unseen, that is your brain. Your brain, your open eyes are left and right, steering, accelerator, horn, seat, all are okay, but you have to control by your brain. Brain is the main thing to control any car. And that is the central processing unit, that means in short CPU. We all are known to the computer, and computer CPU is the main parts of computer. If CPU is damaged, so computer is damaged. If your brain is damaged, you cannot do or you cannot drive any car. Your brain, CPUs are artificially intelligent machines. CPUs are artificially intelligent machines that are programmed to do specific jobs under fixed conditions and adjustments. Under any condition or adjustment, these programs are very specific. But the human brain is intelligent by nature. Human brain, it's not a machine. Just like a machine, but not machine. Natural things. Human brain. It is the most sophisticated machine that is able to operate on ever-changing conditions. It is the most sophisticated machine. Developed. That means it is the developed machine, natural machine that can operate or drive ever-changing condition under many conditions and states of adjustment. As conditions in the traffic keep invariably changing. That means in the traffic conditions is changing day by day on the road. The condition of the traffic is changing. This virtue of sophistication of your brain must be at work. That means your brain is working such kind of condition when you are driving. While driving, the difference between traffic in the roads and highways and racing circuit must not be blurring inside you. You have to notice. You cannot boycott or you cannot delete this difference between roads and highway. This is called. Never imagine yourself to be a Michael Schumacher driving on F1 at 300 miles per hour. That means no time you cannot imagine that you are Michael Schumacher driving on F1. That is a man, and this is the name of the best in all over the world. Michael Schumacher driving. You cannot imagine to be like the Michael Schumacher driving. Such kind of words are said here. Leave no room leave no room for fantasy. That means you cannot imagine any fantasy. That means imagining world. You cannot drive any car following any fantasy or imagining world. That means you are going to the your purpose or destination through by flowing. You cannot imagine or think such kind of word. As your driver, you have to notice it attentively. You must always be ready to encounter unexpected behavior from any vehicle or pedestrian. That means you have to be always ready and get an unexpected. Nobody can say when will be accident. So as your driver, you have to always realize, or you have to always be attentive to your driving. Keep your cool is easy to advise but difficult to maintain. We know that. Keep silent, keep it cool, be cool on the driving time. But it is easy to say but difficult to do. But the driver who drive the cars is very dangerous, very hard work. So we can give advice to cool your brain. It is very important. Still, you must always restrain yourself, because always you should keep yourself cool. Still, because at the end of the day, last time of the day, you don't want to be regarded as a killer. You don't want to publish or don't want to appear into the people or persons as a killer. Now you see, the last thing that differentiates you from a computer is your conscience. Now you can see that there is difference. That is last difference differentiates from computer. Computer, there is a CPU in a computer, and in a man or in a driver there is a brain. This is the difference between computer and driver or a man. Driver controls, driver keeps brain, natural machine, and computer keeps or controls or uses CPU. CPU means central processing unit. That is the main brain of a computer. And from this basis, dear students, we have come to in a conclusion that how your brain navigates traffic while driving, how your brain leads your traffic. You should be cool while driving car. That is the main topics, CPU and brain. Okay, for today I think I would like to give you some assignment for next classes. You have to read or memorize or cram all the important vocabularies from these passages, because I would take some vocabularies, synonym and antonym from these passages, main vocabularies, and you will give me these vocabularies, synonym and antonym for these days. Okay, thank you. Be safe. As I am on online class 11. You have to read on at home attentively, because as it is closed our college, our teaching is not closed. Our teaching is going on, and you have to follow our classes. Thank you. Goodbye.